Hello world! In this video guys, I'm showing you the Santa Claus village at night in Rovaniemi, Lapland, Finland. And this was on November 25th before Christmas. And it was nighttime. It looks more magical. When we arrived there, it was minus 18 degrees Celsius. But the lowest on that day was minus 22 degrees Celsius. It was so cold and it's beautiful and magical. So after we explore at the Santa Claus village, we also went to have a picture with Santa. And the day after, we did the Ranger sleigh ride at Santa Claus village. So make sure guys that you visit this during nighttime. It's more magical, and also daytime, so you can compare and you can do a lot of activities there. Look, it was so busy because it was before Christmas. I love this beautiful place, and this is not very far from Rovaniemi airport, and it's actually farther from Rovaniemi city center by bus.